Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. This is assignment number 19 of 9th class. The topic is prepositions. Okay? From English subject, the topic prepositions. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions given in brackets. Now here 10 sentences are given and options are given. In brackets, 2 prepositions are given. We have to select suitable preposition. The whole day has to be spent dash on the desk, at the desk. We have to select suitable preposition. On the desk, it's not suitable one, as it is the work at the desk. The whole day has to be spent at the desk. Next. Could he bring a letter dash of or from his neighbors? Could he bring a letter from his neighbors? Third one. The boy's grandmother died dash in or at the village. Generally we know very well, for smaller places we can use at, for bigger places we can use in. But in this context, we have to use in. Okay, when we represent or when we express with the meaning of the surroundings of that village, we can use in. So here in is appropriate word, in the village. Fourth one, the headmaster hit him on the knuckles dash his cane. By his cane or with his cane. When we talk about the instruments, so we have to use with his cane. Fifth one, he was gazing dash on or at the blackboard intently. Intently means very seriously. He was gazing on the board or at the board. He was gazing at the board. Gazing means looking at the board. Next. Sixth one. Keep standing here dash I announce your dismissal. Still till. So we have to use here till means up to that point of time. So till is correct preposition here. Seventh one. Swami rushed out dash from the class into the class. Swami rushed out from the class means he went out of the class. So from. Eighth one, he reports that dash from 1981, since 1981, the amount of homework given to a child is increased. Generally we know very well, for point of time we have to use since. For period of time we can use for, but here for is not given. From tomorrow onwards, from this period onwards, for that context we can use from here, but here the exact answer is since, point of time. He reports that since 1981, the amount of homework given to a child is increased. Next, ninth one, he is good dash in maths at maths. So when the good is there, so good takes at, is good at maths. 10th one, please write dash in ink or with ink. Please write, children here we have to write in ink. Please write in ink. I hope you got this. Thank you. All the best.